Hi guys, welcome back to another day of your DARE essay. Hopefully now you have two paragraphs written. You should have your introductory paragraph as well as your first paragraph in the body, which was about what you specifically learned during DARE. Um, and my goal for you is that each day when you come back to your writing, that you reread it and see if there's anything more you could add. Maybe there's things you want to delete that made sense when you first did it and now it just doesn't sound quite right. But always go back and revise it. Since we're allowing you 2 days to do this, remember yesterday's video, I kind of talked about write it the first day and then the second day, just go back and check it over. Okay? So before you start any paragraph, so we're on our third paragraph, I want you to go back and before you even start writing your third paragraph, read your first one and then your second one, then start drafting your third one. Always reread. Um, you'll find little things you want to add, little things you want to take away every time you read it so that it's your very best quality. That quality level 3 writing is what we're going to want at the very end of this. Okay? So I know you're doing awesome. I'm sure by now some of you have had parents check it. Maybe you've sent it to Mr. Lund or myself. So we are here to help you through this whole process, to help you brainstorm and that. Okay? So in this second paragraph, this one's all about the decision-making model. Remember, you can find that decision-making model in the front cover of your book, right? That you can open it up and find the decision-making model. So again, when you start this paragraph, you want to remember to indent, indent, indent. I think you're catching my drift as I keep saying indent, indent, indent every time we do this. I know you've heard it in class. So make sure every paragraph is indented. That's how we're able to tell where paragraphs are. When you read a book, you're able to see where paragraphs are because it's indented. Okay? So all about the decision-making model. So remember on the inside of that cover, the decision-making model is define. So you describe the problem, challenge, or opportunity. Assess what are your choices that you're able to make. Respond. You're going to make a choice. So you're going to pick the best choice for you and use the facts and information that you have gathered as you assess the situation. And finally, evaluate. Review your decision. Did you make a good choice? Was that a good choice for you? Was it the right choice? Okay. So with looking in the inside book, and then I want you just to spend some time today reflecting on how you have used this, whether it's at school or at home. How have you used this decision-making model? Maybe jot down some ideas. Talk about ways you've worked through the entire process when you had to deal with a situation. This is how I defined the situation. This is how I assessed it, and these were my choices. This is the choice I made, and I believe I made the right choice because of this, right? So this one is probably a longer paragraph too. I'd say probably at least 5 sentences, just because working through the decision-making model, that's at least 4 sentences by itself. And that's not even describing the problem, right? So be very reflective on this. When have you used this? Okay. You might have used this without even really thinking about it. So you might just have to reflect on some problems that you've had or some issues that have come up and how did you make decisions based on that? Okay. So go ahead, write your third paragraph of your 5 paragraph essay. We're almost there. Okay, you guys are doing awesome. Okay, keep it up. Again, if you need to send it to us, if you want to Google Meet and chat over some things, absolutely send us an email, send us a Seesaw message, whatever you need us to do, and we will help you out. Okay? All right, guys, good luck. Best wishes. DARE decision making model inside cover. You're going to rock it. Go for it.